Everyone, it's 1st February and it's just 1 week left for the exam. I know how it feels. It must be feeling that everything is messed up, the sketching is not still good enough, the GK is not completed, that's is still left to be done. But chill, guys. Hi, I'm Tanishka. I am a third year student at Hyderabad, and today I'm going to share you some tricks that saved me when I was exactly at your place 3 years back. Honestly, when I remember that week of mine, I still get the flashbacks because let's be honest, it's literally the worst. Everything is very messed up. So today, I'll tell you 2 to 3 things that might save you, and they are not just some generic study stuff or something, but something that actually helped me and my friends. So let's get started. So first and foremost thing, and it is gonna sound harsh, but do try to become an artist. It is not an art exam, it is a design exam, and they expect the certain results from you. So instead of making very beautiful sketches, start focusing on giving the ideas that actually work. Stop focusing more on your written skills rather than start giving your time to your problem solving skills, your time management. Is very important to manage time in CAT, especially because there are certain number of questions and you don't have enough time to make every one of it perfect. So please make sure to manage your time from now, because any day a smart idea will get a lot more marks than a half finished portrait in a design exam. So that is one of the most important things that people actually neglect. They don't want Pablo Picasso in the exam, rather than they want students who can think critically, who actually have brains of their own, and who know how to solve a certain problem in design. So, second and very important advice is, it may sound like your parents, but please fix your sleep schedule, because it is very important to train your brain that it should be very active, and especially those hours when exam has been taken. So if you sleep at 4 a.m. and you wake up at 12 p.m., so your brain is already in habit of functioning best at 4 p.m. So when you are going to sit for an exam at 9 a.m., it's gonna fall. You are going to go blank. Even in my year when I did the exam, I saw a lot of people napping around and feeling stuck because they were not habitual of it. So for the next week, make it a habit. Wake up early at 7 a.m., give a mock test at 9 a.m. And I think that would be the best practice right now, because your exam won't feel like a task for it, because you will be already habitual of making your brain work at those certain hours of the day. And I think this is one of the practice which is very underrated. It helped me a lot. So you should definitely give it a try. It might suck in the beginning, but it will be worth it. So last and the final thing, if you are bad at math, stop learning. You are not going to become expert in maths in last 6 days if you cannot do it in last 1 year. So instead of learning new chapters which you haven't touched yet in math, in GK, in English, just start revisiting the topics you have already learned, revise the topics, because learning at this point will not help you much, because anyways you're not going to remember it in your exam. And when you see such questions where you have studied a little bit, so you just get stuck on it because your brain encourages you to solve it when you don't even know the answer. So it takes a lot of time and it wastes a lot of time. So stop doing it. Instead, revisit your old topics. Whatever you have learned, just revise it again and again. And focus on English. Don't panic yourself. Uh, don't spend this week stressing over the things you cannot change. It's very important to keep your calm. I understand the exam is very important to you. We all want to get amazing ranks, amazing campuses. But at the same time, it's very important to have the right approach to it. That's it. Really, there's no secret passcode to it. You have done enough work in the last few months, last 1 year, and you know more than you think you do. Trust me on this. So just keep your calm, start doing all these practices, encourage yourself to think calmly, and that's it. You're gonna be just fine. It's just an exam. Honestly, a easier exam. I won't say that, but a little bit easier exam than other two exams you might have given, and everything is just going to go in place. Just remember this. So for now, bye bye. All the very best. I'll see you one day before your exams with some last minute tricks. Bye bye.